Section 3 Reasons Why You Need a Mentor. Mentors play an important part in the lives of those who want to reach new heights of achievement, whether for personal or professional reasons. Hiring the proper mentor for your individual requirements requires effort and study to discover the perfect person. In this article, we'll go over what a mentor is, how mentorships function, and why you should have one. What is a mentor? A mentor is someone with specific expertise that you may ask to educate and inspire you in your personal life, job, or both. Mentors, like coaches and instructors, help less experienced individuals learn by building trust and demonstrating constructive habits. Mentors are distinguished by the fact that they are rarely compensated for their services. Many mentors volunteer to educate others because they see the worth of their experience and expertise and want to pass it on. Others like the challenge of assisting individuals in achieving their goals. How does the mentor relationship work? Mentorship operates similarly to an agreement. The level of formality is dictated by your intended goal. Once you've determined who you want in this role, meet with your mentor to discuss any agreement details. Knowing how much time this person wants to dedicate to mentoring you helps guide future interactions. Informal mentorships may involve calling, messaging, or emailing your mentor when you need help. Formal mentorships may include a calendar stating the specific days and times you plan to meet. What you choose is influenced on your specific circumstances. Reasons why you need a mentor. There are many reasons, but we will understand 10 common reasons are. Number 1. Increased knowledge. Mentors are invaluable sources of information. Mentors have been through comparable milestones, whether it's establishing a business, returning to college, or changing jobs. Choose mentors who can provide the most insight into your present stage of life or job level. Because they have previously gone through it, they'll give guidance on subjects like how to save money, decrease stress, and be more efficient, for example, and be able to relate their experiences with your own. Number 2. Constructive criticism. Friends and family members may hesitate to provide the type of feedback you need to make a change in your personal or professional life. Mentors provide constructive feedback that aims to boost aspects of your life that want development. Without this insight, personal growth may take longer to achieve. Encourage mentors to tell you how you may improve your strategy to better reach your goals. Number 3. Personal growth. Mentors seek strategies to promote personal growth. Once they understand your talents and abilities, they may assign you to a specific assignment to assess your performance. Based on your performance, they may assign you another assignment to test you or provide extensive comments on what you did well and where you may improve. Mentors search for teaching opportunities that allow you to learn along the route. Number 4. Words of encouragement. Mentors provide assistance and words of encouragement to help you stay motivated when life gets rough. Without a mentor, negative ideas may become more prevalent in your everyday life, particularly when confronted with a challenging subject or situation. Positive reinforcement encourages you to keep doing your best, regardless of the obstacles. Number 5. Firm boundaries. Successful mentorships are built on clear boundaries that set social standards and make you feel comfortable. Mentors set appropriate limits that work for your benefit. Mentors, for example, assist in setting priorities, defining inappropriate behaviors, and providing advice on how to combine work and personal life. Mentors help to raise awareness of any difficulties that may be harming your emotional well-being and offer strategies to overcome any downsides with limits. Number 6. Unbiased opinions. Mentors, since they serve a neutral role in your life, can provide unbiased advice on topics that interest you. Mentors, for example, are excellent sources of advice if you have multiple business venture ideas but need help deciding which one to pursue. Mentors offer advice based on their previous experiences that they feel are most appropriate for your situation. Number 7. Trusted ally. Trust, honesty, and transparency are essential components of the mentor-mentee connection. When you need someone you can rely on, having a mentor as an objective third party is an invaluable resource. Mentors attempt to gain your confidence in a number of ways, including arriving on time for visits, listening to your story, and maintaining confidentiality. Number 8. Goal setting. Mentors are ideal partners to hold you responsible if you need assistance in developing and attaining objectives. Your mentor may help you advance your career by creating new goals and offering guidance on how to take action. When you initially start the mentoring, develop a list of goals that make you feel uncomfortable in a good manner. Understand that this pain stems from a fear of change. When you reach your goals, note how your dread turns into joy. Number 9. New perspective. Working with a mentor may change your life by helping you understand who you are and what you want to become. Mentors are not therapists, but they may assist in developing emotions of awareness and discovery that need intentional effort. Once you've gone through life with a mentor, you may want to share your experiences with others, which can help you become a better leader and give you a fresh viewpoint. Number 10. Networking connections. Mentors often volunteer to share their network contacts with their ments. When you seek the guidance of a mentor, you boost your chances of making new professional relationships, which may lead to new possibilities. If your mentor plans to attend business conferences and seminars with you, show your interest in meeting new contacts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.